ladies and gentlemen. I'm from Z Tribe, and I'm here to present a case wherein I'm looking for developing an app for in case of medical emergency condition. What do you do in medical emergency? Suppose you are heading towards the collapse. So what do you do? This idea has evolved from while I was in India, traveling in a bus, wherein a patient just sees the sight of blood and he got shrunken down and he was, he was almost heading towards a collapse, but not yet. And by chance, I happened to be a medical professional, and I did see him collapsing. I said, what happened? He didn't answer nothing. He's shrunken down. Maybe you can say just a mild shock kind of. He's scared to answer anything. All he did is, in the bus, he just did like this to the left hand within next fraction of seconds. When a person does like this, relaxation and contraction of fingers, it means it's a clear-cut indication for angina, and specifically on the left side. And I happened to question him, do you have angina? He said, yes. He just nodded, only no speaking at all, just shrunken down somehow. And I had to immediately ask him, where is your medicine? Because these people do carry their medicines along with them, SOS medicines in their pockets. So he brought in took out the medicine bottle. I opened the box for him. He took one tablet. I said, keep it under your tongue. And next minute, I had to open all the windows of a local bus for him to just relax, be as easy as possible. And he was absolutely fine, no case of loss of life. And in fact, he was out of danger. And this has evolved from that aspect. So I look at it as if we could develop a software wherein you could write down your debilitating condition if you are in one. It's not the question when you have to collapse and then you have to finally look for a doctor. You may end up losing a life, and even on time and energy both. So this is from the point of if somebody could be by your side, if somebody could be by your side and help you in this aspect the way I could help him, analyze the situation, or call, as in US they say emergency number is 911 or 211. 112 in Finland. Either of them, whatever you feel comfortable, do that right away. Now when we were talking about this aspect, we thought of some device which would be best. So we thought about mobile, but mobile is one big problem that, God forbid, if you're collapsing down, you may not reach your cell also. So that is another problem. So we decided to put an emergency alarm on a wristwatch, which you love to wear always. Wristwatch never go out of the hand. So there is an emergency button. Before you're collapsing, you press that button. That could reach your designated group of friends, and they could call 911 or 112 or whatever emergency, and they could reach you in less than a particular time. So that saves the life of a person, and moreover, whatever necessary measures are to be taken, the medical aid also comes to you.